Oh, we got a leak.
It's leaking.
Think so.
Okay, when you order this, you're gonna get two options for how to power your pump. You're gonna get a plug for a car battery. It's got your positive and your negative. Or you're gonna have this, which is something you plug into your car. We're gonna use this one. I'll put on the screen. It's a 12 volt plug. I'm gonna put on the screen what we're gonna we're gonna plug this into a wall plug and use our solar to power it. That's in the mail right now. We're waiting on it. So just to see if the pump works today, we're gonna use the battery hookup. You take this end, you undo it, and you plug that into your pump. Our pump's under the house. We're gonna take this and the battery, take it under the house, and see if it works. Also in the box, you're gonna get a shower head with your hot and cold lines. This is for like a camping setup. We're not gonna need these. And you've got some more fittings and screws and stuff there. I don't think we're gonna need any of this, but let's hook it up, see what happens.
Alright, I'm up underneath the house. Got the pump, water line going out to the tote where the rainwater is. Comes in to the pump, goes through the filter, comes out up in the house. Alright, and I had a simple plug. It's an easy setup. You just plug it up to the pump. It all comes with the pump, the wire, and then it comes right over here to a battery, and we hooked it up and it pumped the water in, filled up the lines, and kicked off. So we're going to go in and turn the faucets on, see what we've got, and make sure it runs right. If we got water.
Alright, Hanson. You ready to see if we got water?
Turn it on. It's going to be air probably first, but push it up.
Oh my goodness. Hit a leak. Ah! That's a lot of pressure. That's awesome.
Still feel some.
Turn the light on to the shower.
Oh, we got a leak.
It's leaking.
I think so, right here. Oh, no, that's gotta be tightened up. That's loose.
But it does work.
Yeah.
It works.
I need some tape, thread tape for that.
Where?
Right here, it's dripping.
Yep. And here, it's wet. Is it anywhere above it?
I'm not sure where it's coming out.
So,
Well, shut the shower off for now. We gotta fix that leak.
all that water's got to drain out. So.
Yeah. Okay, we got this leak fixed here. We've got our propane hooked up here. I'll have him turn the water on and show you how it lights up. There's 2 D batteries that go in here to ignite it. And then when we turn the shower on,
Can we turn it on?
yeah, it lights up. That clicking noise was it igniting. And then here, you adjust the water pressure here and the heat here. This is a little bit hot for us for the shower. I was doing dishwater with this. But for a shower, we like it to be about, see it going down, about 110. 100 is good for a shower, but there it is. Nice hot shower.